Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Analytics 4 for Android apps step by step clearly. To enable Google Analytics 4 for your Android app, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section in the bottom left corner of the screen. In the property column, click on the drop-down menu and select Create Property. Enter the name of your app in the property setup form. Select the reporting time zone and currency that applies to your app. Click Next to proceed to the next step. Choose the industry category that best fits your app. Select the size of your business. Click Create to finalize the property setup. Once the property is created, you'll see your new Google Analytics 4 property. Click on Data Streams under the Property column. Select Add Stream and choose Android app. Provide the necessary details such as your app's package name. You can also enable enhanced measurement options if required. Click Create Stream to proceed. You will now see your newly created data stream with a measurement ID. Download the Google Services JSON file from this page. Place the Google Services JSON file in your Android app's app directory. Open the build.gradle file for the app module. Add the necessary dependencies for Google Analytics 4 in the Dependencies section. Sync your project with the Gradle files. Now, initialize Firebase in your application by adding the necessary code to your main activity. Use the measurement ID to configure Google Analytics for your app. Test the implementation using the debug view in Google Analytics to ensure data is being collected. Once everything is set up and verified, you can start analyzing your app's performance in Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.